Hi, I'm Jim Jubak, and welcome to my YouTube video for May 5th. And I'm going out to Chicago for my 50th college reunion in a couple of weeks. Anyway, all that aside, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're doing about 3 a week, so that'll give you a notification of when they're doing it. They're not always going up on the same day. If you want more of my stuff, more stock picks, more market analysis, you can go to my free site. That's jubakpicks.com. It's got 3 portfolios. Or you can go to my paid site, jubakam.com. That's got 6 portfolios, and you can find the links to those down below. Today's topic is market gives Fed a Razzberry. Yesterday, after the Fed announced that it was raising rates by 50 basis points, but not looking to raise rates by 75 at its June meeting or 75 at its July meeting, as the market had started to assume, the market rallied. We had a huge, furious rally, especially in tech stocks. Today, on the other hand, the market is rethinking things, both taking some profits from yesterday, so you get a lot of stocks selling off again, but also thinking about the fact that, well, the Fed probably isn't going to get to hit its inflation goals with just a 50 basis point increase in June, another 50 in July. So whatever Powell said yesterday doesn't connect really well with reality. So we're getting a big sell-off. I've put up some really short-term charts. This is the S&P for 5 days. And you see that this is the 4th. This is yesterday when the Fed met. Bump. And then around 2:30, when Powell spoke, we then got this huge spike afterwards. As he said, 75 basis point increases off the table for June and July. Okay, today we gave it all back and a little bit more. We don't know where we're going to close. This is a chart as of about 2:30. But for most of the day, the S&P was simply giving back what it had gained yesterday. And now we're below that, which is interesting and a kind of negative thing. If all we're doing is basically giving back what we gained yesterday, I don't think there's any consequence. If we really close lower than we were for most of the day before, I think the market is saying, hey, there's a problem here, and the Fed is part of the problem, not the solution. This is the NASDAQ chart. Even worse, the NASDAQ is clearly giving back more than it gained. On the NASDAQ side, you're looking at stocks, by and large, tech stocks, which are giving back more than they gained. I would, in fact, sort of separate tech stocks into a very small class, and advanced micro devices is one example of that. Advanced micro was up about 9.1% on the 4th, not just because of the Fed, but because it had sort of blown out earnings estimates, showing incredible growth in revenue, picking up share in the cloud server market. So today, we're down about 6.2%, but given that we're up 9.1%, we're looking at a stock that looks like it's got some staying power at this level, maybe even better. There's no reason that AMD shouldn't rally from here, given what's going on at the company as opposed to the market as a whole. On the other hand, and this is more typical of tech stocks, this is Amazon. And you notice Amazon did what the market, this is 230 up to here. And then today, what we've had is this collapse. This is more indicative of what's going on in the tech sector as a whole. This concerns me because Amazon is really typical of a larger class of tech stocks than AMD is. So Microsoft, which picked up 2.9% on the 4th, was down more than 4% on the 5th. This is intraday. NVIDIA picked up 3.7% yesterday. Last I looked, it was down more than 6%. Apple picked up 4.1% on the 4th, down more than 5% today. So this concerns me because it's an indication, I think, that the sell-off in technology stocks is going to continue for a while, that we're not seeing, as we thought we might get yesterday, a bottom in the sector. I wouldn't necessarily go bottom fishing here. I think there are other things in the market that in the short term have better prospects. Airline stocks, anything really with a summer boom, everything is selling off today with about maybe 5 or 6 exceptions that I can find. Watch tech stocks. If we continue to put in, I think we're going to see the sell-off continue for a while. We are still looking for a bottom. I think there is a bottom there somewhere, but not yet. Thanks for watching. This has been Jim Jubak. Please, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel and want more of my stuff. You can go to my free site, jubakpicks.com, which has portfolios that include Amazon and Microsoft and NVIDIA and AMD and Apple and all the other things that have sold off today. And then there's my paid site, which is jubakam.com, which has 6 portfolios, including some with options. And so today, when we've seen a big sell-off in emerging markets, I own the inverse EFT, so we've made some money on some of these things. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you next time.